the steps on how to upload and download files between your local machine and your EC2 instance that's running on Amazon using filezilla. Alright, so let's create an EC2 instance real quick. Click on EC2 instance and then launch instance, and let's call this instance as myDD. You can call it whatever name, make it a little descriptive, so I'm just calling it myDD. Alright, I'm selecting let's select Debian operating system and a 64-bit architect. That's fine. Key pair login. Now we have to create a new pair. Create a new pair and enter key name. Let's call it DD. Oops, sorry, 2D. And RSA, choose .ppk file, create key pair. So what's going to happen is it creates a key pair for this particular instance, and that key pair got downloaded over here on your download directory. So if you go to your download directory, you're going to see dd.ppk file right there. That's the one. Okay, now we create this okay, create security group, that's allowed SSH. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, and everything looks good. Okay, launch instance, and this instance gets launched. Okay, now we're going to try to connect to this instance using that key pair. Alright, so let's open up the FileZilla. I have FileZilla right there. It's freely available from the internet. You can get it from there. Let's open file, go to site manager, and let's create a new site. Let's call this thing as DD. I mean, you can call it whatever you want to, but I'm just calling it DD. Go to file transfer. Let's call it, we're going to use SSH file transfer protocol. Host. Now if you go back, that instance is running. I just want to make sure that it's running. So that's the name of the instance, myDD, and the IP address is right here. You can this is the IP address. So if you click on this instance, the details will appear at the bottom, and this is the IP address of that instance. So copy this IP address. You can actually copy in from here and just paste it over here, and port is 22. Password. Now over here you want to use key file. Your username, they actually by default use admin, so use admin, key file, browse it. Now if you recall, I just put dd in this when you create the key pair, it created a dd.ppk file in your download directory, so that's the one you want to use. Open. Alright, and hit connect, and now it's asking you the server's key user, you have no guarantee, say okay. And then it's asking you that do you trust this person, and say okay. And there you go. So now this is your local machine and this is your server. You can actually copy and paste file from here to there by drag and drop. Alright, likewise you can copy file from here to here. You can download the file. So let's download the same file. All right.